Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm David, and I'll take you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS PDM 2020 Workflow Conditions. SOLIDWORKS PDM 2020 introduces a new workflow condition to validate the state of reference files. For example, you may want a part and its drawing to travel together through their life cycle, or at the very least, ensure the part is released before or during the release of its drawing. Use the new child reference state condition to enforce this behaviour. In this case, the part referenced by the drawing is in the under change state. Once the change is approved, the drawing may be submitted for approval. This time, the workflow will recognise that all of its reference files are in the required state and the drawing can be released. Another example is during the release of an assembly. The new workflow condition can check to see if any parts are obsolete, and if they are, prevent the assembly from getting released. In the transition dialog, use the warnings and state columns to understand what needs to be done. In this case, a component within a subassembly is obsolete and needs to be replaced. Now with child reference state conditions, SOLIDWORKS PDM 2020 makes it easy to follow approval processes and ensure the correct data gets released. In summary, we now have a new workflow condition, child reference state. This allows us to create workflows that are more precise, efficient, and easier to use.